Also with us, CNN legal analyst, defense attorney, and former federal prosecutor, Shan Wu. So Shan, as we look at all of this, anything to read into us being at this point today, August 20th?
I think of those charges, well, first of all, I think this is Michael Cohen's worst nightmare come true. Anytime you get a raid on your office, you're worried about what they're going to find, and this is pretty much everything that he would have feared, the bank fraud, the tax fraud, as well as now the campaign finance possibilities of charges. Of all those, I actually think the one most dangerous for the president is actually the campaign finance issue, because that can lead to the president's knowledge or direction of Cohen to do this. And I think that for the prosecutors, the bank fraud and the tax fraud are really their leverage on him, because the potential sentences for that, whatever they are on the books, it really comes down to the federal sentencing guidelines, and that's going to depend a lot on how much money is lost. And when you're talking about anything over $1 million, it's significant, and you're definitely looking at jail time.
And it's well over $1 million, at least from what we've learned. All of this is happening, obviously, as it is day 3 for the jury in the Paul Manafort trial, waiting on a verdict there. Could that have any impact on the decision as to when to file charges, and also be any possible deal for Michael Cohen?
I don't think the Manafort trial will affect when they file charges. I think that issue is probably the traditional notion of avoiding the midterm elections. I think for Michael Cohen, he would be happy to have taken the deal yesterday. He's been signaling he really wants that. With this news now, there's no question he's going to be facing charges. So I think we would be looking for that to happen very quickly.
And what's your sense of, a lot's been made of whether Rick Gates is a credible witness, as we know, in the Paul Manafort trial. How does Cohen stack up in terms of credibility?
I think it's hard to know right now. He has been in the right position to be very credible because he's in the right place to know things. But I think we don't know yet what else is in the closet with him. And if he were to come and give testimony, whatever the defense team's going to be, is they're going to find a lot of, dirty laundry for him. But most importantly, his first step will be undergoing extensive interviews with prosecutors, and they will leave no stone unturned. So they're going to know about anything that is sort of untoward or improper in his background.
Ooh, a lot we are waiting on today, that is for sure. Shan, always good to see you. Thank you.
Good to see you.